Haringey, Tottenham, N15, here at Reparations Corner. Reparations Corner. Here at Reparations Corner. Jagger's Place. Raising awareness of the race and ethnicity codes. The reason being that we can unite those classified as IC3, black, that's the Caribbeans, the Africans and other blacks. We can unite black people for reparations, so we can get unity and be reparations for black and mixed black people. Yeah, reparations for slavery of there's white people here, but we're dealing with reparations for black people. Yeah, where are you from?
From Europe.
Europe. Oh, hey, look. So which kind of European are you then? Are you IC1 or IC2?
What is called?
Yeah, according to the
Yeah, I think
system.
IC1. Yeah.
IC1. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, maybe IC7.
IC7. Oh, that might be referred for the. But here, look. Here's the details. Have a look here. Look here. Look.
Yeah, go on.
This is the full breakdown.
White British. No, I'm not white British. White Eastern European. That's
Eastern European.
Yeah.
And how about here?
Still, there is not my country. I can't find out where is my country. No.
Yeah?
No, bro. No.
Yes. Well, but you're there. White Eastern European.
Yeah, but it's
And you got the blue eyes. You got the blue eyes. That's right. So you qualify. Yeah. you qualify.
Where you come from?
Yeah, I'm classified as IC3.
IC3.
Black, but my parents are from the Caribbean.
Caribbean,
That's right. Yeah.
Jamaican?
So yeah, Jamaican. That's right. Both my parents are from Jamaica.
Really?
Yeah.